Hey, it's a batch lady here. Now, do you have someone going to uni in your family, or are you yourself going to uni this year? If you are, then I am here to get you started, to tell you everything that you need to know about cooking when you're at uni. So whether you're going into halls or whether you're going into a private shared flat, at some point you're going to have to cook some meals for yourself and be buying snacks and general things that you want to sort of eat along the way. And there is some top tips on how you can do it by saving money, saving waste, sharing with other people, all of these things. And that's what I'm going to be telling you on this course, okay? So I'm here to help you get organised in the kitchen, basically, and help you save lots of money. Now, what's going to be in the course coming up? I'm going to show you some really easy recipes that as a student, every student wants to eat, you know. So I'm going to show you easy fridge pasta, bolognese, chilies, some burgers. I'm going to show you some vegan recipes and some vegetarian recipes, but unbelievably simple ones made with only a few ingredients that come into your budget that you've got, because you want to spend your money on good stuff, like going out with friends and doing lots of fun stuff. So in the course, there is lots of things on, you know, should you buy in bulk, which is a good way if you're in a flat share and you can all put some of your money together. I'm going to be talking more about that to save you some money when it comes to shopping. Talking about how you can save money. So for example, you have to buy bread in a loaf, but you actually can split like bagels and stuff or bread all up and freeze some separately. The same with things like expensive stuff like cheese, that you can actually grate and throw some stuff in your small bit of your freezer. You've got a tiny little bit like that, and then your cheese will last way longer. And then I'm going to be talking as well about how to save money by dropping brands. So for example, you know, compared to buying this, if you bought this, then, you know, this is like, well, this one's like 4 times more expensive than this. And the same when it comes to things like Philadelphia. You could drop a band to soft cheese and you're instantly going to start saving way more money. So this course is going to take you through a whole heap of stuff, from shopping, saving money, how to cook easy recipes. It's just going to have everything in it to get you started. I'm going to go through the equipment that you need as well, which is minimal because your student digs will probably have minimal equipment in them. You really don't need a lot to get started, and this will empower you to be the person that you can look after yourself. You can cook for friends, have people over, and just not have a burden of what am I going to cook and how much money am I going to spend on my food. Instead, you'll be super duper prepared before you even go.